this video for Local Biz to Web, and this is a video on the old bike restoration. What I've got here is a product. This product is the rust remover, and for the last 2 days, 48 hours, I've had to apply this rust remover to the metal where the rust was, and then it was glad wrapped. It was wrapped inside a plastic, and today, at the moment, what I'm doing is just taking the plastic out to see if the product is So I've used the rust remover gel. I applied it on the frame 48 hours ago, and when I applied it, I would use glad wrap over the gel, and so I'm just seeing how effective it was. As you can see, a lot of stuff come off the frame. And to see how well it worked, I'm just going to rub this with a bit of water. Well, that looks pretty good. A lot of clean metal, and again, I probably need to use a bit of wet and dry just to clean it up. And that looks pretty good. So that's the frame that was rusted. It's come pretty good. And so I'm just going to continue cleaning this up. I've just cleaned up these mud guards. This is a sample that I've cleaned it up. I was able to remove the rust, or most of it, using the steel brush. And I'm just going to go through the wheels and the frame, doing the same. Yesterday I applied the FERONITE, which is an antioxidant or rust converter, and it turns all the metal turns black. So after 24 hours, I'm just gonna hose it off and use a sponge and water to get rid of the this black FERONITE. And this is an update video on the fuel pipe restoration, and this is what I've just been doing today, working on the mudguards. Just been using the metal brush on the drill, and so this has had, I've used the rust remover gel on it, I've used paint stripper on it, I've also used the rust converter on it, and then finally I used a steel brush on the drill to get rid of all the whatever was on top of the steel. So, and on this pipe frame, similarly I've used the rust remover gel, I've used the rust converter, I've used the steel brush on the drill, and then I've used the rust remover again, and I've used the rust converter second time. And once that was done, it was all clean, I used the ZINC as an undercoat, and then I used the heavy duty primer, kill rust, as an undercoat. And I'm going to apply another undercoat of this kill rust undercoat, and then finally tomorrow I'll use the top coat. So this is the update on the old pipe restoration video, and I should have the job done in about another week. Thank you for watching.